Hi, this is Chitran Saxena. Today we are going to learn about electricity in this video. The objectives of this video are, first of all, we'll introduce ourselves to electricity, then electric potential and potential difference, electric circuit, electric current, and then circuit diagram. Let's start with introduction. Electricity is an important source of energy in this modern society, which is used in our homes, industry, and in transport. It is a naturally occurring force that exists all around us. Humans have been aware of this force for many centuries. We would find it very hard to do without it. It has been found by experiments that there are two types of charges in electricity or everywhere we can see. The very first is positive charge and then second is negative charge. Let's discuss charge. Opposite charges. They attract each other and also known as unlike charges. As you may remember from magnetism, in magnetism, two different or opposite poles attract each other and similar poles repel each other. Same happens with charges. For, for example, we can say a positive charge attracts negative charge. Now comes to similar charges. They repel each other and also known as like charges. For example, a positive charge repel positive charge and a negative charge repel negative charge. 1 coulomb, the SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. We can say 1 coulomb is that quantity of electric charge which exerts a force of 9 into 10 to the power 9. Let me write it for you. 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton on an equal charge placed at a distance of 1 meter from it. Here's a sample problem. The question says calculate the number of electrons in 1 coulomb of charge. So charge in 1 electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Numbers of electron in one charge is 1 over 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. After doing all the calculation, we get number of new electrons in one charge is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. Thus 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons taken together make 1 coulomb of charge. Conclusion, we can say SI unit of electric charge is equivalent to charge contained in 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Now, electric potential and potential difference. What are they? Electric potential, the at a point in an electric field, is defined as the work defined in moving unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Potential difference, it is denoted by V. The amount of work done in moving a unit charge from one to another point is known as potential difference. Basically, we can say it is the difference in electric potential between 2 points. Let's say from this point to this point, the amount of work done in moving charge from this point to this point, it is known as potential difference. Or we can just say, let's say that these are 2 points. From this infinity, work done to move charge to this point, and difference between these amounts of work is potential difference. We can say potential difference also as work done over quantity of charge moved, and the formula we get is V is equal to W over Q, where W is work done, Q is quantity of charge moved. Now 1 volt, as we know, volt is SI unit of potential difference. So 1 volt can also be defined as when 1 joule work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another is said to be 1 volt potential difference. And remember this, these are very important definitions which commonly introduced in examinations. The voltmeter is used to measure potential difference. The voltmeter is always connected in parallel across the 2 points where the potential difference is to be measured. A voltmeter has a high resistance. Voltage is another name of potential difference. This is the symbol we use while drawing circuit diagrams, which we will discuss in further slides. And this is a apparatus or instrument used for measuring, which is known as voltmeter. Electric current. Now what is electric current? It is the potential difference which makes the electric charge to flow in the wire. When two charged bodies at different electric potential are connected by a metal wire, then the electric charges will flow from the body at a higher potential to the one at the lower potential. This flow of charge in the metal wire constitutes an electric current. So we can define electric current as the electric current I is a flow of electric charges called electrons in a conductor such as metal wire. The SI unit of electric current is ampere, denoted by capital A. The magnitude of this electric current is the amount of electric charge passing through a given point of conductor in 1 second. If a charge q coulombs flow through a conductor in time t seconds, then the magnitude of I of the electric current flowing through is given by the following formula, that is I is equal to q over small t. We can use in various numericals. Now again comes ampere, 1 ampere, which is SI unit of electric current. When 1 coulomb of charge flows through any cross section of a conductor in 1 second, the electric current flowing is said to be 1 ampere. Apparatus or instrument used to measure electric current is known as ammeter. Since the electric current passes through the ammeter, therefore it should have very low resistance, so it may not change the value of the current flowing in the circuit. This is a symbol for ammeter used in while drawing circuit diagrams. Now what is electric circuit? A continuous conducting path consisting of wires and other resistance and a switch between the two terminals of cell or battery is known as circuit. These are commonly used symbols for electric components. Circuit diagram. It is a diagram which indicates how different components in a circuit have been connected by using the electric symbols, as example has been given here in this picture. Electric circuits are represented by drawing circuit diagrams. Here are some practice questions. Try these questions, pause the video and then check your answers on the next slide. Here are your answers. If your answers are correct, then very well done. You have made really good progress. Pat your back and keep it up. That's all for this video. For more videos, you could log on to justtutors.com. Thank you.